right now, the freight trains are moving goods from one place to the other. Is there going to be a technology where trains become the warehouse, which means we are sorting, processing the cargo on the move itself?
I think this is a very good idea. That I imagine a kind of a post office where we used to deposit our letters, and then they would sort it at both the the origin place as well as the destination place also. So I think this is a good idea that railway can also try to put some automatic sorting system. Take example of post office, put it into a train, and sort
Absolutely.
all these and put it in the right kind of boxes. The only challenge would be that this will need some free space. But if you do the automation, which is completely digital, digitally controlled and software driven, and if you equip these trains with those sorting warehouses, multi-stack, move from ground into the train, and then you can definitely do this. And I think this is very, very interesting. So you can save time at both the ends.